So I want to look at Venn diagram. I want to talk about Venn diagram. We are talking about the use of diagram to represent set. Our universal set is represented using a rectangular box, and other subset or other smaller set are represented using a circle. Okay, so if you have a universal set and you have other smaller set A and set B, and you are asked to show the relationship between all these sets using Venn diagram, so let's look at them. So if set A is a subset of the universal set, how do you represent that? We have our universal set, okay, and we have our set A. So this is set A, this is the universal set. So the shaded region show the element present in what? Present in set A, okay, and which is also a subset of what? The universal set, right? So this is A is what? A subset of the universal set. So the second one we want to look at is if you are asked to represent the intersection of set A and B using a Venn diagram. How do you go about that? So we have our universal set, okay, and we have set A, we have set B. So everything in this region is what? Is A intersection B, right? So the third one we want to look at is complement of a set. So if you're asked to represent the complement of set A using a Venn diagram, how do you go about that? So we have, that is the third one. So we have our Venn diagram, okay? So this is our universal set. This is set A, okay? So everything in this side, in the shaded portion, is what? Is a complement, right? So the third one we want to look at, the fourth one we want to look at is the union of two sets. So to represent the union of set A and set B, we have our universal set, we have set A, we have set B. So the union of set A and set B is everything inside set A and what? Set B. So this is A union what? Union. The fifth one we want to look at is if set A is a subset of set B. How do you represent that? So if you have set A as a subset of set B, this is our universal set, this is our set B. So that means set A is contained inside what? Inside set B, okay? So this is A is a subset of what? Set B, right? So the seventh one, or the sixth one, the sixth one we want to look at is if you want to show only the element present in set A that are not in set B. So we're going to have our Venn diagram, okay? This is our set A, this is our set B. So only the element present in set A but not in set B is this. So we have A intersection B complement. And if you want to show only the element present in set B, you are going to have, you have your set A, set B, okay? So only the element present in set B but not in set A. So we have A complement intersection what? B, right? So the eighth one we want to look at is if A and B are disjoint set, that means they have no element in common. That means that A intersection B is equals to what? Empty set. How do you show that? Using a Venn diagram. So we're going to have our universal set, we'll have set A, we'll have set B. Since they have no element in common, that means they will not have any intersection, okay? So this is all about Venn diagram. Our next video will be an example under Venn diagram. So we're going to be taking so many examples, okay? Thank you very much and God bless.